Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the theme on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Now from here, just tap on themes. Now from here, you can change the theme of your smartphone from the featured themes from here, just like that. Just tap on download. Now it will take a few seconds to download the theme on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on apply. Now from here, if you go to your home screen, you can see that we have changed the theme of our smartphone. Just like that. Now from here, if you go back to the settings app, now from here, scroll down and tap on home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Now from here, just tap on themes. Now from here, if you tap on download more, you can download more themes from here. Just like that. Now for example, we will download this theme. Now from here, you can purchase this theme or you can get it for free. Just tap on get for free. Now from here, just tap on claim. Now from here, just wait a few seconds for the theme to download. Now from here, as you can see, the theme is applied successfully. Now from here, if you go to your home screen, as you can see, we have successfully changed the theme on our smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can change the theme on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.